I have the Samsung Galaxy A54 and I'll be showing you how to change the language of the phone, the system language. So go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to general management, tap on that, and then under that go to language. Now as you can see, we have one language, which is the only one I have, and it's the default language. Now if you want to add another language, simply tap on add language, and then you have all these options to choose from. Let's choose French, for instance. So choose French, which is Francais. Tap on that. Then you have different variations of French you can choose from. You have Belgian, Canadian, from France, and also Swiss French. I'll just choose from France, and then I can choose set as default, and that's going to enable and use that language and set it as a default. So now as you can see, the whole system language has been changed to French. Okay, so the entire user interface is now going to be in French. Okay, now you can always go back to the general management tool and then go to language again at the top, and then you can have your language there, but you can switch between different languages as a default language. Okay, and that's basically how to change the language on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.